Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. Today I've answered a question asked by a viewer a few days ago. I started investing just 2 years ago. Should I rebalance my portfolio? He asked this in response to what I've been saying for the past few days. The market has lost its momentum, and you know what happened today, almost a 3.5% drop. It's because of this decrease in momentum. I wanted to rebalance the portfolio. I had mentioned that I rebalanced it for the first time in almost 13 years. And I would also suggest that you consider a rebalance at this point. I'm not saying you book profits. I'm only saying if you have the correct asset allocation for your goal and that asset allocation has deviated significantly over the past year, then I think you should consider a rebalance. Because I've given a simple example here. If you started with 60% equity and 40% debt in March 2020, today your portfolio will have that 60 rupees would have become 177 rupees. So you would have got 73% equity and 27% debt. So you have about a 13% deviation. 13% deviation in equity, and I think the best thing that you can do, whether you are 1 year old or 2 years old in equity investing, do a rebalance, reset your asset allocation back to 60-40, and that will give you a psychological benefit, and also you have got some real gains locked away in fixed income. Don't wait. If you just keep waiting, then like I just shared a graph in Asan Ideas. Well, so you can see that the market has been going like this before the pandemic, and if you just extend this line somewhere, it will be here, and another few more days of fall, the market today would actually come back down to what it was as if there was no crash in 2020. So that's what will happen if you just keep waiting. Time is a great leveler. It will just erase all those losses. If it erases losses, it will also erase gains. People who sell mutual funds always keep saying losses will be erased in time. No, gains will also be erased in time. So you have to rebalance every year. It doesn't matter how old your portfolio is. Now, I don't know what's going to happen in future. Next few days, there is a fear of another lockdown. Another lockdown is becoming essential because our health sector is feeling the pressure of the growing numbers of COVID cases. So at the very least, we saw a March to March 95% return, March 2020 to March 2021. At the very least, we can expect from March 2021 to 2022, that kind of 95% gain is highly unlikely. At the very least, intuitively, you can say that much. And so it makes sense to protect the gains that you have got and do a portfolio rebalance. So you still have time to do a proper goal-based planning exercise. You still have time to consider what should be your asset allocation, and you still have time to correct your portfolio. You don't need to be a visionary. You don't need to predict the market. You can visibly see the momentum dropping. You can see the momentum dropping and take corrective steps. That's all I'm saying. Provided that corrective step is necessary part for your portfolio. If you are holding 80% debt and 20% equity, and the last 1 year you got 95% profits in equity, I'm not saying you should rebalance. You cannot rebalance because that's just too low in equity for a long-term goal. So those who must rebalance. Those who should not.